Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By Isesaki FM AI. Isesaki City accepts hail waste for free. Following the hail damage that occurred in the northeastern part of Isesaki City on the 5th, Isesaki City will accept disaster waste generated by affected households for free at Cleaning and Recycling Center 21 until September 30th. Items that will be accepted include glass broken by the hail, carport roofs, tiles, branches, leaves, etc. Items must be brought in by the affected person or a family member living with them, and a disaster damage certificate must be presented.